Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your location on Snapchat if you don't want to be featured on the Snap Map. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our Snapchat app and we're going to choose the top left Bitmoji and the top right gear icon here. Now if you go all the way down until you see additional services and choose manage, you can see 4 down, you will see permissions, choose that. And then the first one is location. Mine is actually not enabled, but if yours is already enabled, you will go ahead and tap on it and it will make sure that you want to disable your location for the app. Now there's another way to do this. If we go ahead and head into our settings app, we're going to scroll until you find your Snapchat app here. And then on the very top, it says location. Mine is set to never. So if you want to turn off the location on Snapchat, I would advise you to choose never. But there is also the option of ask next time or when you share or just while using the app or always. But I normally choose never just so that it's never on ever. So I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next